Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a wonderful company called Muthoot Finance Limited. It is a Kerala based company which is engaged in giving gold loan to the customers. So they're not only in gold loan, they are also engaged in various different types of businesses such as they have a business in the field of financial services, healthcare, real estate, plantation, foreign exchange, information technology, education, etc. And this is a company with a market capitalization of around 51,000 to 50 crore. And currently the price of the share is around 1277, and yearly high of this particular stock is around 1406, and the yearly low is around 477. And this company is also providing a very good dividend, that is 1.17 percentage. And ROCE value of this particular company is 16, that is good. ROE value is very good, that is 29.1 percentage. And for the last 1 year you can see it has given an that is return of around 72.2 percentage. The last 3 years it has given a return of 39.4 percentage, and last 5 years also it has given a very good return, that is 47 percentage. Debt to equity ratio is little high, but it is okay, 3.43. But the promoter is having very good percentage of holding, that is 73.4 percentage. So once you looking into this particular chart, during the pandemic it touched around 514 range or 508 range, and after that it was keep on increasing, and it went to a high of around 1362. From there it came down little bit in the 1000 range. Again it is started going up, but still the currently the price is above the 50-day as well as the 200-day moving average. So that is, look, the company is good. And when you look at, there is no negative things about this particular company. The all the positive things, all the things which is related to this particular company is very positive. So if you look at the advantages of this companies are, this company has delivered a good profit growth of around 36.39% CAGR for the last 5 years. And this company is also given an ROE value, that is return on equity, with a track record of around 3 years. The value is, that is around 26.39 percentage. It is also giving a very good dividend around 21.39 percentage. So when you go to the profit and loss statement of this particular company, you can see the net profit is increasing every year very well. So last 2 years you see March 2009 it is 2078, and the March 2020 it is 3138. And also you look at the EPS value, it is also keep on increasing, so that it shows the company is growing. And the company is also paying a very good dividend, that is 36%, 29, 20. Even in 2020 also they have given a dividend of around 19%. So that is looking very good. And when you go to the compounded sales growth, that is 26%, that is positive, that is very good. Compounded profit growth is also 37%, that is very good. The stock price CAGR is last 1 year it is 72%, that is looking very nice. And return on equity is also very good, that is 29%. So when you look at the credentials or the fundamentals of this particular company, this is one of the best company. We can give a 5-star rating for this particular company because almost all the credentials are very good and all are positive. And when you go to the technical chart, you can see from June 20 to till now, that is in January 21, this the price of this particular stock is moving in this particular range. Actually, this price is consolidating between around 1289 level to 1120 level. So this is the price range in which it was moving. But currently it is at the resistance zone here. So once it crossed this particular resistance, it can go to the target of around 1400 level. So if it is breaking this level, then it can go to another, the next target, that is target to as 1564 level. So or 1600 level it can go. So currently it is at the resistance zone. So don't buy at this particular level. Once it is going or crossing this particular level with a higher volume, so above that 1315, then you can try for buying. So because this is at a crucial place, because if it is coming down, then wait for to touch this supply zone, that is around 1120 level. So here it is a very good place to buy this particular share, or if it is crossing this particular level you can go for buy. So currently just wait and see what is going to happen in the coming days for this particular stock. So this is a wonderful company. It's in technical as well as fundamental. This company is very good at giving profit after profit each year. So if you are interested, you can go for this. Please share this information to all your friends and relative. Thank you.